Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all to the mathematics class for grade 3 and I am Miss Filza Khan from Army Public School and College Faisal, and it is the part of EBSEX online support program. The topic which I am going to discuss today is place value, and by the end of the lesson you will be able to write numbers up to 10,000 and also identify the place values of the digits of a number up to 10,000. So before starting the topic, let's recall the concepts of digits. Digits are the parts of a number. For example, 920. It is a 3-digit number in which 9 is at 100 place, 2 is on tens place and 0 is on ones place. And how to read this number? 920. Now let's start the mental math session, in which question number 1 is count in tens. What comes after 30? When we talked about after, it means that we have to add the number. It means that we have to add tens in 30. So when we add 10 in 30, so answer is 40. Question number 2 is what is 30 plus 40? When we add any two numbers mentally, so first we add the tens place digit. So first we add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, as you all know, that is 7. Now add the ones place digit. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So what is the answer? 70. Question number 3 is how much is tens? It means that we have to find the value of 6 tens. So the value of 6 tens is 60. Question number 4 is count in tens backwards. When we count backwards, it means that we have to subtract something. So in this question, we have to subtract 10 from 70. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is 60. Now let's move towards the topic quickly, that is place value. So place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position. Or we can say that place value defines the place of a digit in a chart. As there is a chart given below in which the extreme left position is for 1000, then it is followed by hundreds, then tens and then ones. Now I have an example for you. The number is 3267. As you see that 3 is at 1000 place, 2 is at 100 place, 6 is on tens place and 7 is on ones place. So 7 is on 1's place, so I multiply 7 by 1 and answer is 7. 6 is on 10's place, so I multiply it by 10 and answer is 60. 2 is on 100 place, so I multiply 2 by 100 and answer is 200. And 3 is at 1000 place, so I multiply 3 by 1000 and answer is 3000. And how to read this number? 3267. Now let's move towards another example in which you have to identify the place value of digit 4, and the number is 3548, in which 3 is at 1000 place, 5 is on 100 place, 4 is on 10's place and 8 is on 1's place. So as you see that 4 is on 10's place, so the value of 4 is 40. Let's move towards another question, that is, complete the following number sentence. And the question is this. As you see that on the right hand side there is a number given, that is 2514. Now we have to break this number according to its value. So start from the 1000. As you see that 2 is on 1000 place, so I write 2000 plus. Now let's check the 100 place digit. On the 100 place it is 5. So what comes here? 500. Then on the 10th place it is 1, so we plus 10 in it. Then on the 1's place it's 4, so we add 4 in the last. The number that is written on the right side is 2514. This is called standard form. And the number that is written on the left hand side, like 2000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 4, is called expanded form. In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. So last but not the least, I have a small homework for you in which you have to identify the place value of digit 8 in the given numbers. I have written some numbers for you and you have to find the place value of digit 8 in them. You can solve this homework in any rough copy or loose sheet. I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.